Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is another modeling AC at home video, and today we're going to kind of be a little bit on the go. So we take walks every night and we like to play the I Spy game. And so what I've done is I've just got a low-tech board. I have a page protector here, and what I did is I went in and did screenshots and snipped out the adjective pages under the describe button. So I did the first two to have access to lots of adjectives, and then I did a color snapshot as well, because that way we have access to all kinds of vocabulary when we're out and about and we're playing the game I Spy. So we could say like, I spy something big, or I spy something blue. And to make it a little bit more fun, we have magnifying glasses. You can pick these up at your local Dollar Tree. And of course, in here, I have access to literacy, because we're not always going to have access to every word. So if we want to spell it out, or if I'm wanting to work on a certain letter of the day, I can do that as well with access to my letter board. And we'll show you a little bit of example here. Okay, Luke, it's your turn. I
an orange.
That's what you like to do, is an I spy something orange. And then when we respond, Mommy's going to take a guess. I'm going to say, is it a car?
No.
No. Is it a leaf?
No.
What is it? It's a person? Who's orange? Oh, I know. Is it Sophie?
Brother.
Oh, it's brother? Oh, it's the little boy in the picture? Yeah. Yeah. Usually you tell me it's a dinosaur. All right, guys. So whenever we're out and about, my son sits on a stroller usually on our walk, and so he can just hold it. And he likes to point to the words with his magnifying glass as well.
Yes.
So we could say, I spy something, and we could say a color in green, and we could take guesses and go, is it a tree? Nope. Is it a leaf? And we could say no. No. And then we could say, is it the grass? And maybe yes. And then we have access to all of these adjectives, so we like to use a variety of them as well. So we could say, I spy something dirty. And maybe it's a car. Maybe it's a dirty spot on the sidewalk. Yep. So there's all kinds of ways that you can use the I Spy with the adjectives and a core board out on your walks to make them just a little bit more fun. Right. There's your video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks so much.